We began our journey in the orchard, where we picked fresh, crisp apples during a family-friendly visit. These apples became the star of our homemade apple tart. For the crust, we combined brown sugar, butter, flour, baking powder, and eggs in a stand mixer, then added an egg yolk to bring everything together. Once a firm dough formed, we let it rest in the freezer to harden. For the filling, we mixed sliced apples with light brown sugar, raisins, custard powder, cinnamon, and an egg yolk, then folded in walnuts for extra crunch. The dough was divided, one half pressed into a greased pan to hold our apple mixture. The other half shaped into a beautiful lattice crust. Brushing with an egg wash for that golden finish. The tart baked at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. The result? A warm golden apple tart, baked with love, and best enjoyed with a perfect slice straight from the orchard to the table.